Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner on PS5. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is connected to the internet. Then, you'll need to purchase or download SnowRunner directly from the PlayStation Store. Once acquired, proceed with the installation. The game requires about 65 gigabytes of storage space, so ensure you have enough room. This easy method gets you into the game quickly. After installation, launch SnowRunner from your PlayStation 5 home screen. The game will guide you through an initial tutorial, which is crucial for understanding basic vehicle operation and game mechanics. Pay close attention to the controls. The left stick handles steering, while the right trigger controls acceleration. The left trigger is for braking and reverse. Mastering these early steps will significantly improve your off-road experience. To succeed in SnowRunner, always choose the appropriate vehicle for the mission's terrain. Different trucks excel in various conditions. If you find yourself stuck, remember to engage all-wheel drive and the differential lock for maximum traction. Planning your routes carefully is also key. Scouting ahead can save you from getting bogged down in deep mud or water. Patience and strategic thinking are your best tools. As you progress, upgrade your vehicles with improved engines, better tires, and specialized attachments to tackle tougher challenges. Don't forget to explore the co-op mode, where you can team up with up to 4 friends to conquer missions together, making the experience even more enjoyable. For those who love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to unwind after a long day of trucking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.